Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS 270 Trend non-runner engine needs repairing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 89,712. MOT, the 11th of February 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and won't turn over, not sure if the wet belt has snapped and jammed up either way, the engine is locked, seized thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,645 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.